radio and listen to Absolute 80s.
Just step out into the road.
Francis Rossi with Hannah Rickard and I Talk Too Much. Album, book and spoken word tour. That's Francis Rossi for you at the moment.
It's time to put on that thinking cap and see where your imagination takes you.
Huge responsibility and privilege selecting a team that you're giving players opportunity, and on one hand, on the other hand, you're not selecting them to start for the country. But Blair has done nothing wrong.
Absolute radio weather with Ryanair. Surprise your loved one this Valentine's with a romantic city break to places like Paris, Rome or Barcelona.
EU leaders and the Prime Minister today.
The number of people stabbed to death in England and Wales has hit a record high. Figures from the Home Office for the 12 months until the end of March 2018 showed 75 fatalities. Britain's 4 chief medical officers are urging parents to put their children's phones outside the bedroom.
Johnny Whitlass had a special boogie box every morning, just around 7 o'clock. Stopped by his brother, too much sherbet and not enough shot. I wish I had